Anna's Dumpster Rental stands as a beacon of hassle-free waste management solutions in the bustling heart of Columbus, Ohio. Specializing in top-notch dumpster rental services, Anna's Dumpster Rental is your go-to destination for all your disposal needs. Whether you're decluttering your home, overseeing a construction project, or orchestrating a significant cleanup, our dumpsters come in various sizes to accommodate any load. For those seeking a seamless and budget-friendly waste disposal experience, look no further than Anna's Dumpster Rental. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is reflected in our mantra of providing affordable dumpster rental Columbus, Ohio. You can reach us at 937-704-3069 to discuss your requirements and secure the perfect dumpster for your project. Additionally, visit our website at annasdumpsterservice.com to explore our range of services, learn more about our pricing, and effortlessly book the ideal dumpster for your needs. Anna's Dumpster Rental is not just a service, it's a partner in keeping Columbus clean and thriving. Our dedicated team ensures that your dumpster rental experience is convenient and environmentally responsible. By choosing Anna's Dumpster Rental, you're not just getting a container. You're getting a reliable ally in maintaining the cleanliness and sustainability of Columbus, Ohio. Join hands with us, and let's build a cleaner, greener future together.